Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset Audacity settings in 2026. Resetting settings can help when Audacity behaves unexpectedly, audio devices aren't detected correctly, or customized preferences are causing problems. First, think about whether you actually need a full reset. If only one setting is causing trouble, changing that specific option is usually safer than resetting everything. Before making a major change, save your important Audacity projects and note any custom preferences you want to keep. Next, close Audacity completely. A full reset generally requires changing or removing configuration data rather than simply reopening the application. The exact reset process can vary depending on your operating system and Audacity version. Look for the official instructions for resetting preferences or configuration files for your specific setup. If you need to remove configuration data manually, be careful about what you delete. User settings may include device preferences, shortcuts, plugin information, and other customizations. A safer approach can be to rename the relevant configuration folder or file instead of deleting it immediately. That way, you may be able to restore it if necessary. After making the change, launch Audacity again. The application should create fresh default settings when appropriate. Check the recording and playback devices first. Then test a short recording and play it back to make sure the basic audio setup works. If the problem disappears, you can gradually restore your preferred settings. Don't change everything at once, because that can make it difficult to identify what caused the original issue. If the problem remains after resetting settings, the cause may be related to your microphone, drivers, plugins, or operating system rather than Audacity preferences. You can then troubleshoot those areas separately and check for available updates. Once Audacity is working normally, save your preferred configuration and keep your project files backed up. And that's how to reset Audacity settings. Back up important information, reset configuration carefully, test your devices, and restore preferences gradually. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next